Hey guys, this is Josh from Airdrop Gold YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can access the Axiom trading bot with an invite code and start using it. The Axiom trading bot has lots of features and capabilities that can help you maximize your trades and profits. Also, we have the direct link for quick access in the captions. To start, click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address in the first field and the word TradeNow in the second field, then click the Sign Up button. Check your email account for the confirmation code and enter the code. Choose a strong password for your account and click the Continue button. On the new page, click the Reveal My Key button, copy your wallet keys, keep them somewhere safe, and click the Continue button. On the next page, you can deposit Solana, convert tokens in the Convert tab, and buy cryptos in the Buy tab. That's it, the setup is complete, and now you're able to use the Axiom trading bot and its awesome features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.